Traveling Machinist here. Good morning to everyone. We are at Indian Rock Beach on the Gulf of Mexico side of Florida. That would be the west side of the state. Heading back from Zach's this morning, back up to Ocala, Steve and Tammy's. And I just wanted to document some of my thoughts about traveling, collecting content, and trying to post all at the same time. So here we got a little bridge over to the Gulf of Mexico. It's a beautiful morning. I do not know what temperature it is. The other day I was over at the Atlantic side. There's a lot more rough waters. Anyways, back to my point. So yeah, as I'm traveling around the state of Florida, I find it easy to record, take pictures, collect content. But I find it difficult to edit it, put it together, post it, and have some type of, it seems pretty random right now what I'm posting, and which it is. I see a lot of different things, and for the time purposes I can only post quick little things. Some of my content needs to be combined and edited so that it can be all put together at the same time. And I'm moving around every day. I'm at a different location, so it's makes it a little more challenging to put together. We stayed down just on this beach, down a ways, me and Brian a couple of years ago. Very nice beach. But yeah, I am learning and trying to make production of videos on the fly is difficult. Plus the equipment. I put the drone up in the air yesterday, or last night actually, at the Harley dealership. And what I found out there is there's an airport within 6 miles, and that really killed my communication with my drone. It kind of took off on me, then it wanted to just drop. So I don't know what all that is about, but that's something I'm learning. I got some footage and handed some of it over to the Harley dealership there, the Barracuda Harley Davidson in Clearwater, Florida. That's where we were last night for the bike night. And then on top of it, I only have 2 micro SD cards. So I keep forgetting to throw the SD card into the drone from the glasses. And so I only had 1.5 minutes of footage anyways. So all these little things, and I do have more cards at home. I believe they should have been shipped in already. And so each piece of equipment will have its own SD card. I'll pan you around here. Sand here is super fine. It's pretty peaceful here. It's a little breezy. I'm not sure how the sound's going to turn out. Again, some more learning on my part. But yeah, all these little things. I have a 4-in-1 adapter to take the SD card and upload it to a laptop for the Harley dealership. And what I found was, in my bag, I didn't have it. I was like, Well, now I can't upload. Luckily I had another one, and I was able to get it accomplished, and actually I didn't really need it because I didn't have an SD card, so it was just a little bit of a fiasco of learning and knowing what I do have and don't have. But then I found the adapter in the bottom of the saddlebag. So trying to organize it so that I have stuff when I need it in a timely manner seems to be a little bit of a challenge also. So, but yeah, as I get going here, I will get better content and learn more how to be more prepared. Sometimes things just happen so quickly that you don't have the time to, you know, get everything ripped out, set up, and so it makes it a little more challenging. A lot of seashells on this beach here, out towards the water edge. I have no idea if this is high tide or low tide. I believe this is high tide, if I remember from when we were here last. That's some little birds. Again, the sound probably is going to get muffled out a little bit, so I'll have to look into microphones, things like this before I leave. Yeah, just trying to organize all the equipment and how you're going to... I know the wind's problem. Let's walk this way. Having the equipment organized and making sure you have it all in the bag for the next time. I'll probably make more videos like this, but the organization of the equipment is huge, and trying to keep track of everything. So with that said, I'll cut this video, but what I want to also say is, you know, thank you to Steve and Tammy and Zach and everybody else that I encounter. Have been very super nice. I really appreciate everything. You know, they're letting me stay in their house and, you know, taking me in. That's pretty impressive to me. And I don't know. It makes me feel good. Again, thanks everybody. I will keep updating you as I go. I gotta head back up to Ocala, like I said, and I'm gonna take the day to do that. I'm not gonna be doing the interstate back. I'm gonna take the coast up and just take my time. All right, Traveling Machinist out. Enjoy and be kind.